Are you a photographer looking for ways to market and sell out those mini sessions? Well, video is the way to do that. Video will give you the opportunity to create a really impactful marketing strategy. It can help you to provide a better client experience and ultimately make more money during those mini sessions. I am in the process of marketing some brand mini sessions myself, so I thought this would be a great opportunity to share with you some of the strategies I'm using to utilize video before, during, and after my mini sessions. The first way I have for utilizing video during your mini session strategy is to create some behind the scenes content. So this can be great for social media when you're making reels, either to market the current round of mini sessions or future rounds of mini sessions. And it really gives people kind of a sense of FOMO if you are recording behind the scenes content on the day of the mini sessions. If they missed out this time, then they would love to participate in a future session. Some content ideas for behind the scenes would be to capture location scouting and any preparation you're doing in order to create the mini session experience. Shooting clips of you at the mini session taking photos would be another great way to utilize behind the scenes content. For this, you could have a friend come with you and shoot some of those clips on your phone, or you could set up a tripod in the corner, attach your phone to that or another camera, and record yourself as you are doing the mini session experience. This will also give you the tools to capture some of that client interaction so other people can see what it's like to come to your mini sessions. And again, just creating that opportunity for them to peek behind the scenes and hopefully participate in a future round. Lastly, if you want to feature any finished products, so if that's prints or online galleries, you could create some behind the scenes content utilizing video in that way. The next idea is to grab testimonials. So if you're doing mini sessions, I know the ideal is to create as many sessions on that day so you can make as much money, serve as many clients as possible, and give them the opportunity to have that short and sweet photo experience. But if you add on about 5 minutes after each session, you could collect a nice little testimonial, record it on your phone, grab that video or the audio, and give yourself the opportunity to use those client testimonials to promote future mini sessions or to pull out some of those quotes, use them on your website, use them on social media, and it's just going to give you additional video content that you can be utilizing from your clients. I'm in the process of redesigning my website, and I had to go back and find some of those testimonials. So the more of these you can have, the more they're going to serve you long-term, not only for this round of mini sessions, but also for the future as you try to market yourself and your business. All right, the third idea, and this is getting into what I love, and that is shooting video with your big camera. So if you already know how to shoot video with your mirrorless or your DSLR camera, then this is perfect. Adding video into these mini sessions is going to give you another revenue stream and another opportunity to serve your clients. If you don't already know how to shoot video, go over to shelearnsvideo.com and we have a guide there on how to set up your camera for shooting video so you can get started with this right away. Now, I know this might sound a little bit difficult to switch between photo and video at the session, but I promise it's very simple. You really are just going to use the same session workflow that you use traditionally for photo, but at the end of each pose, flip over to video, capture a few clips, and then at the end of the session, at the end of the day, put these to music, short and sweet little videos, and upsell them to your clients post-session. Your clients are really going to love seeing their children or their brands in motion, and it will give them an additional tool to utilize, whether they're marketing themselves on social media or if they're just sharing with family and friends. Also, if you don't want to sell these, you could create it as a bonus. And if you give away a little video snippet to each one of your mini session clients, I promise they will be back. They will tell all their friends about you, and you will be booking your mini sessions for many years to come. As an alternative to upselling your video content, it would be to add on video in the beginning. So for me, I'm doing this right now with my brand sessions. I am offering brand minis that are photo and video. This gives people the ability to get both mediums in a mini session and allows you to charge a higher price point. You could also make it an optional add-on, so maybe you have a photo price and then a photo and video price, giving your clients the opportunity to kind of pick and choose what service they'd like. And as I said, this is really great for brand minis where clients are already in need of lots of photo and video content. Okay, so go ahead and drop below in the comments what kind of mini sessions are you working on? I would really like to start creating a little more content around mini sessions because I know they're so popular with photographers. Lastly, go over to shelearnsvideo.com where we have a free guide on how you can set up the camera you already have to start shooting video. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this was helpful.